Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. And if you have any questions today after the call, any questions regardless of what it is, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Let's talk about our 10th attachment that I provided for you. They're free of charge. Remember, when you're calling your prospects and customers, 5 things, all right? 5 things to stop doing right now, all right? 5 things to stop doing right now. Once you stop doing these things, you will stay motivated. You'll continue in this process. You'll continue in the system that I've provided. But in order for you to be successful, along with so many other things, you've got to stop doing these 5 things. The first thing you have to stop doing is stop attempting to please everybody. Stop attempting to please everybody. This is typically for the folks that are directly around you. Family members, spouses, kids. Stop attempting to please everybody. Once you stop doing that, you'll stop attempting to please your customers, especially when they make. When I say your customers, I mean your customers and your prospects. Stop pleasing everybody. Now, yes, your customers, your prospects, you've got to please them. You've got to follow through with what you've promised to do. But everybody else, stop attempting to please everybody. The second thing that you have to stop doing is stop fearing change, okay? If you're by being successful in this process, you're going to go from this level to this level, and to get from this level to this level, you are going to go through so much change that your body and your mind is not going to want to go through. But the more you force yourself through it, the better off you'll be. So stop fearing change. You must change your mindset and your skill set to get from here to there. Third thing you have to stop doing. 3 things you have to stop doing. Number 3 is stop living in the past. Stop focusing on your past failures. It's it. If you keep focusing on the junk and the drama and the chaos, that's what happened in your previous life, you will never advance forward. So the third thing you have to stop doing is stop living in the past. 4th thing you have to stop doing is putting yourself down. Stop putting yourself down, plain and simple. Stop telling yourself that you can't do this. Start telling yourself that you can do this. Start, reiterating that day after day after day. But the most important thing is to stop putting yourself down. That's point number 4. Point number 5 is to stop overthinking and stop overanalyzing everything. Okay? Stop overthinking, stop overanalyzing. Just start, get in the process, keep going every single day, and you'll be amazed at the success that you have in this profession. Do you have any questions again? Do you have any questions about today's call? What I went over about motivation is so important. It's so important that you motivate yourself the correct way. Or more importantly, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me, Ted Keys, a call. I'm at 626-309-9141. Great topic for today, motivation. Take these skills, apply them, you'll be amazed at what happens to your results.